Hello class 10C. In our previous class, that was before puja, we have seen the preparation of hydrogen chloride. Now we have left with the chemical reactions of hydrogen chloride and hydrochloric acid. So the difference between hydrogen chloride and hydrochloric acid is hydrogen chloride is a gas and hydrochloric acid is a liquid. So when hydrogen chloride gas is dissolved in water, it will result in the formation of hydrochloric acid. Now, chemical reactions of hydrogen chloride gas. Reaction with metals. So what happens when hydrogen chloride gas reacts with metals? So let us see first the general equation that will help you to understand the reactions. So when it reacts with metals, the hydrogen chloride gas, it is going to form metal chloride and hydrogen gas is formed. Say for example, if you take sodium as a metal and reacts with hydrogen chloride, it is going to form metal chloride with sodium chloride and hydrogen. Similarly, when calcium reacts with hydrogen chloride, it is going to form metal chloride, calcium chloride and hydrogen. Magnesium reacts with hydrogen chloride to form magnesium chloride and hydrogen. So similarly it follows. Next, chemical reaction of hydrogen chloride gas with ammonia. So when hydrogen chloride gas, it combines with ammonia to form dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. So when ammonia gas reacts with hydrogen chloride gas, it's going to form a solid which is ammonium chloride. So that is two gases combined to form solid. Next we will see the chemical reactions of hydrochloric acids. So first we will see reaction with metals. So similarly we will first see the general equation. Metal plus hydrochloric acid giving you metallic chloride and hydrogen. So calcium and HCl reacts to give you calcium chloride and hydrogen. Magnesium reacts with HCl to give you magnesium chloride and hydrogen. So the thing is that you need to remember this general equation. If you can remember this general equation, then you can write down the chemical equations for it. Chemical reactions. Second, chemical reactions of hydrochloric acid. Action on acids and hydroxides. So when you take metallic oxide or hydroxide, when you react with hydrochloric acid, it is going to form a metallic chloride and water. So magnesium oxide reacts with HCl to form magnesium chloride and water. And if you take hydroxide, say for example sodium hydroxide, it reacts with HCl to form sodium chloride and water. This is neutralization reaction, if you remember. In this similar way, we can just make understand of the other reactions. Next is reactions with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. So when carbonates and hydrogen carbonates reacts with hydrochloric acid, it forms metal chloride, water and carbon dioxide. So when sodium carbonate react with HCl, it is going to form sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Similarly, when you take bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, it is going to form sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. This is the reaction with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates of hydrochloric acid. Next, reaction with sulfites, hydrogen sulfide. So when you take sulfites and hydrogen sulfide and react with hydrochloric acid, it is form metallic chloride, water and sulfur dioxide. Okay. Before, when you take carbonates and hydrogen carbonates, the product was carbon dioxide, and if you take sulfites or hydrogen sulfide, it is sulfur dioxide. So when you take sodium sulfide and HCl, it is formed sodium chloride, water and sulfur dioxide. And when you take sodium bisulfate, it forms sodium chloride, water and sulfur dioxide. Next, reaction with sulfide. So when metallic sulfide react with hydrochloric acid, it forms metal chloride and hydrogen sulfide. So metallic sulfide Na2S plus HCl gives you metal chloride, sodium chloride and hydrogen sulfide H2S. And iron sulfide when reacts with HCl, it gives you ferrous chloride FeCl2 and H2S, that is hydrogen sulfide. Next, precipitation reaction. Okay, another type of reaction that hydrochloric acid undergoes. So precipitation reaction, as we know that when two compounds react, a precipitate is formed. So reaction with lead nitrate and silver nitrate solution. So when you take a lead nitrate and a hydrochloric acid, it is going to form a white precipitate of lead chloride and nitric acid. Similarly, when silver nitrate and HCl is treated, it is going to form a white precipitate. It is also white of silver chloride and nitric acid is formed. Formation of aquaregia. Aquaregia is a very important term. Aquaregia is a mixture of 3 parts concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1 part concentrated nitric acid. That means if you take 10 ml of nitric acid, you need to take 30 ml of HCl. So when the mixture of these two acids is present in that ratio, that mixture we call as aquaregia, and it has got the capacity to dissolve the noble metals like gold, silver, platinum and all. Okay, so hydrochloric acid and nitric acid reacts to form nitrosyl chloride and nascent chlorine. It gives nascent chlorine. This nascent chlorine reacts with noble metals like gold and platinum to give their soluble chlorides. That is why they get soluble. So this is aquaregia. Uses of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid has got many uses. It is used as a reagent in the preparation of aquaregia. First, it is used in the manufacture of ammonium chloride that is used in dry cells, that is batteries and all. It is used in the manufacture of dyes, drugs, pens and photographic chemicals. It is used in tanning and calico printing industry. Tanning means leather industry and calico is cotton cloth printing industry. And it also helps in digestion of food, as we know that hydrochloric acid helps to break down our food in our body and helps our process of digestion. How to identify hydrogen chloride and hydrochloric acid? So hydrogen chloride gas gives thick white fumes of ammonium chloride when a glass rod is dipped in ammonia solution is held near the vapors of the acid. So when ammonia gas is brought near the vapor of HCl gas, a dense white fumes is formed. From there we can identify it is a HCl gas. And with silver nitrate solution, both the gas and the acid gives a white precipitate of silver chloride. So when silver nitrate reacts with hydrochloric acid, it forms a white precipitate of silver chloride. So this is how we can identify the substance. Now today's assignment 5. Question number 1. Write the balanced chemical equations. 1. Hydrogen chloride is reacted with the ammonia gas. Number 2. Calcium bicarbonate reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. 3. Lead nitrate solution is mixed with dilute hydrochloric acid. And 4. Sodium thiosulfate is reacted with dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay. Question number 2. What is aquaregia? Write its one use. Question number 3. Write few uses of hydrochloric acid. And question number 4. Mention any 2 chemical tests to identify hydrochloric acid. So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.